Good morning. I know my hair is up, like, this is different, but anyway. I thought I'm going to the gym right now. I have all my stuff all over this bed, but anyway. I'm going to the gym right now, and I thought I would hair mask before I go. And then I thought, why don't I film this? I'm trying out a new brand alert. It's Maui, and I'm so excited to try it out. I heard my cousin used it, and she's like obsessed. Actually, 2 of my cousins are using it right now, and they love it. So I'm excited to try this brand out. I'm gonna go in the sauna too, so that's another reason why I thought, why not I mask before I go to the gym, because I'm in the sauna, and then it's just gonna, like, you know, do all that good stuff in my head, or my hair. So I'm about to apply this Maui, this hair mask right now. It's Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter. I love that it's Hydrate. Like, that word, hydrate, like, it's so appealing to curly hair girls, so, or boys. I'm gonna apply this right now, guys, and you're gonna follow me throughout the day, so let's go. So hopefully you can hear me right now. You're actually in my cabinet. So this is the Maui that I'm using. Last night I had put in this in my hair. This is a hair oil, Growing Strong from Miss Jessie's. And then this morning, because I knew I was going to the gym, I put in some, I put castor oil in my hair, but I put it in like this little applicator jar. So it says olive oil, but it's really this. It's really black castor oil that I just put into this bottle because of the applicator. It makes it so much easier. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really good. We're gonna wet my hair. I really like the smell of this, and it's so creamy. And you don't understand how excited I am to use this Maui brand. They do have their shampoo, I have their conditioner, I have their leave-in. Okay, so I have all the oils in my hair. I'm just gonna use a scrunchie, put this baby in a little bun. I will see you in the sauna. So I think I'm gonna stay in here for about 10 minutes, have this deep condition soak in my hair. Oh yeah. It smells so good, guys. Like, even if you go into a CVS and you just open up the lid just to smell it, so good. So when I get home, I'm gonna shampoo and condition my hair, and I will see you once I've done that. Okay, so before I hop in the shower, I just want to show you really quick, and then of course I'm going to show you my review afterwards on what I think about the shampoo and conditioner of this Maui Shea Butter Heal and Hydrate. So this is for dry and damaged hair, which don't we all want help with that? So it's supposed to soften, quench your hair and repair your hair. It's just a funny word, sorry. Creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, pure macadamia oil. I love macadamia oil. No, I love macadamians. This is sulfate free, so that is great. It's 100% made with aloe juice. Great. No mineral oil, no silicones, no parabens, no everything. No everything. Love that. I will just write everything down below on what it has none of, which is perfect. It is curly girl friendly. I really hope that this really hydrates my hair, and then I fall in love with this shampoo. Hopefully that's my review after I use it. And then the same thing goes along with the conditioner, and I will be right back because I'm gonna hop in the shower. Okay, cool. I hope you can hear me. I got out the shower, and my overall opinion about I'll take my hair out. My overall opinion about the moisture hair mask from Maui is that it was really easy to apply, really easy to take out. I really like the consistency of it. When I was taking it out, it wasn't as detangling as maybe I would like. Shampoo, super moisturizing. I loved, even when I like poured the bottle, it was like a white pearly color, and that surprised me. I love that. It did not feel at all like but my hair felt clean. Like, my hair didn't feel dry when I finished with the shampoo. Same thing with the conditioner. Conditioner, again, not as detangling as I wish it would have been. Again, I think the shampoo so far is my favorite out of the 3. And now I'm gonna jump right into using the Detangler Leave-In. So maybe this is what, and another thing, I don't know if it wasn't as detangling because I had oil in my hair. So if you've ever tried Maui before, please in the comments below, Write if it was moisturizing enough for you. Hopefully it was. Only because remember, I had castor oil in my hair, which is super oily. And then I also had the hair growth from Miss Jessie's in my hair. So maybe that played in a factor. But this, I mean, no brainer. It says Detangler Leave-In. So maybe this is what's supposed to detangle my hair right now. All right, it is a little bottle. It is 8 fluid ounces. I have a lot of hair. Thing is I do not have the gel. I don't even know if they made a gel for this line. If they do, I will link it down in the description box below. I'm gonna use the Diva Curl Archangel gel. But yeah, let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's like very watery. Yeah, the mask smells way better. But it's very oily. It's a water base, you can tell. Make sure you apply this when your hair is wet. It's so much easier. The back of my hair was dry, so it was harder to apply. It also feels very light when you're applying it. Literally getting every knot that's in my head right now. So we have the leave-in in right now. So this is before I put any gel in. There are little white dots. There we go. Hopefully I'm getting my head. Alright, so I'm going to put in the Diva Curl Archangel gel. And then I will show you the results after that. Okay, so all the product is in my hair right now. It feels very watery, like all the products that I used. Oh, it was Ultra Defining Gel, not Archangel from Diva Curl that I used on this. I noticed the slip immediately. Once when I put Diva Curl in, whoo, that gel's like butter. My prediction, Kelly's prediction, is that it is gonna be very lightweight, shrink, fro, pray that there's no frizz. Defined right now, but I don't know about the frizz. Not sure. I'm just gonna chill out right now. I've gotta go make breakfast. It is right now, what time is it? So it's 12 o'clock right now. All I had this morning before I went to the gym was a shake. So I'm going to eat right now, chillax a little bit. It's 12 o'clock. I will be back in about probably 2 hours for you to see what has happened. So I will see you soon. Right now I'm making turkey bacon. I'm having a kombucha right now. I don't know what else. I really want a salad, but I have to go to my grocery store to get my favorite dressing. So good. And a little fun fact, I was a pescatarian for about a year. Did no other meat, and then like literally this month, I started dabbling into like chicken and turkey. So I'm gonna do it about once or twice a week, and that's gonna be my diet. I'm also doing no carbs except for when I eat sushi. That's like the only exception to eating carbs. I'm doing no carbs right now. I started yesterday. I did it about 2 years ago before. It made my body feel the best. So I said, let me just try and do that again. Anytime you don't have carbs, I'm telling you, you feel like a different person. You should really try it, even for a day. You just won't feel sluggish and like tired and all that stuff. But I am burning my turkey bacon, so I'll be back. So I'm just in my bed. I mean, oh, I'm watching HGTV right now. So it's 1:53 right now. I'm just laying in my bed and my hair is super wet. It's still wet. I feel it on my neck, which I feel like I just want to wipe, you know, like, that's what they say. They say that when you have like product on your back, that's what causes acne or breakouts. So make sure that you wipe that, or I might put like a t-shirt just underneath it just to rest. It feels a little sticky. Not too bad though. I've definitely had worse where I've had products sit on my neck and it's just like gross. So anyway, 1:54 now, and I will check back in. I should actually go outside. I'll probably leave the house in about like 15 minutes to go check up on my mama. But I'm okay with walking outside like this. It's not bad. I'm in my car. It feels very soft, not product-y whatsoever. It is 2:27 right now. And by the way, outside it's not even humid. It's kind of chilly. It's 74 degrees. It doesn't feel hot at all. I'm actually pretty cold in short sleeves. I have to put on my little sweater. But yeah, so that's it. It's still wet. Super light. I'm actually seeing a little frizz up here. Like, look. Hold on. You see that? I hope you saw that frizz. It might be also because I used Ultra Defining Gel. I did hear, I like looked it up, Archangel Gel is actually a stronger hold, so that's something I probably should get instead of using the Ultra Defining. It's not bad. It just is what it is right now. So We just have to keep on waiting. It's like the game of waiting. We wait, but it's so far like the wash and go. There's movement. It's not like, you know, I keep doing that noise, but whatever. I'm kind of tired right now, so, and I'm still hungry. Like I ate, but I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go eat, maybe take a nap. I gotta take a nap like super special so that I don't mess up my hair while it's drying, but yeah, I'm gonna go back home. I just woke up from a nap. It's 5:47 right now. In the middle of my head, it's still wet right now. I am just gonna diffuse it. I do like the results though. Like it's very soft. There's a lot of movement. I would wear this. I would do it again, you know? I just want to dry it so that my hair is not wet right now. So I use my Extava Diffuse. Ow. Ah. Alright, there you go. Diffuse it just for a bit and let's see what happens with my result. Watch out now. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so I just finished. I know that this wasn't like the funnest hair vlog ever. I mostly stayed home, went to the gym, like mad lazy stuff, which is not like me, but my hair, I really like the results. Like top 5 hair products, this Maui. Look at this movement. And there's definition. It feels soft. I feel a little like, no, it's so soft. Like there's so much definition. It's 100% curly hair approved friendly. I do want to find out if they have a gel. I want to try it out. Look at this. Yeah, Maui's like top 5. Whoa, I was not expecting that. I hope this is great lighting. It should be. Thank you guys so much again for following me around. I really enjoy reviewing a whole product throughout the day, especially if it's like my first impression to the product. I get to see how it dries, not just diffusing it immediately, which I 100% could have just continued to let this air dry and it would have been perfect. My results are amazing from this. I would recommend this if you have 3C curly hair, something similar to mine. I know it's hard to recommend products to people. I mean, of course I could give you my opinion on what I think would work for certain hair textures, but I know exactly what works for mine. Yeah, I really enjoyed filming these videos. It's something easy I could do, something I can upload more consistently. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on hair, lifestyle, a lot of DIYs. I love creative stuff. Comment down below. I love responding to every comment. I think like 99% of the comments I respond to. Just let me know down below how long you've been on your natural hair journey. So I love you guys. Hope you have a great day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.